Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to set up M1 Finance Pi, how to add a slice in M1 Finance. Now there's two ways. One is when you create your account, they'll prompt you to create a Pi. I'll show you both of them. So you just come here, select the stocks that you want to use. You can even search it up right here and then choose your stocks, click on continue, and you are able to select what percentage you want the weight of each stock to be in your slice. Okay, and then you can click on continue again. And what you can do is come here to my pies, see all your pies. If you want to create a new pie yourself, you just come to my pies, click on create new pie. And here you see filters, right? You can refine your search using these. Okay, and then you can just click on any of these stocks, just hit the check mark, okay, the check box right here. So you can individually check each stock, see the performance, and if you want, you can add it to your basket. Now, if we come back here, you check all of these, right? And then you just come here, click on add. So you click here on add, and then once your chart is created for your pie, you can name this pie whatever you want. You can just click on edit, right? As you can see right here, we're editing the pie. You can choose the pie name. You can add a brief description if you would like. You can even come here and add your additional securities, okay? And here you can see you can change the weighting of each stock in this pie. And when you're changing these weightings, make sure it adds up to 100%. Then you can just come here and save this. And that's how you can create your pies for your portfolio. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.